Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a series of cases that were brought to us specifically for the iPhone XR. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now the Supcase and Unicorn Beetle line have been known for providing some high value, affordable cases. They're going to protect your phone. They're going to do a really nice job of protecting your screen, your back, and overall they wear very well. So today we're going to take a look at all these cases. We're going to look at how they fit. We're going to see if they wireless charge and see which one you'll want to purchase for your iPhone XR. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now these three cases that we're going to be looking at right here, these three, have similar features. First of all, they have a built-in screen protector, and then they also have the removable frame, either a combination of TPU with polycarbonate. So let's take a look at the first one. We'll put our iPhone X in and see how everything aligns. Now this case right here is really sharp looking. So it has a carbon fiber look on top and bottom, cutout for your iPhone logo, and then you can see really nice screen protection or glass protection right there for your camera lens. Very nice depth too. Nice cutouts, everything looks nicely aligned, and this is a really robust case. Let me get out of this for a second. You'll notice fantastic screen protection, no question there that screen is going to be protected. Responsive buttons, and then just overall, really good case. If we were to try to wirelessly charge it, I'm going to put it right here. We'll see if the wireless charging works, and it does. All right, now what I like about this one, polycarbonate, nice bumper protection. You can see how that really bumps out. Great screen protection, just as we saw on the other one. And then also all the buttons are real nice responsive, and here you have that rocker is hidden on the bottom. You have the same thing there. Feels really good in the hand, and let's go ahead and check and see if the wireless charging works, and it does as well. Now this last case is a pretty nice case too. Polycarbonate back clear, TPU sides. Let's go ahead and bring in our iPhone. We'll go ahead and snap into place. You can see thin profile but good screen protection. You can see how it's coming up here on the sides nicely. Right? Showcases your iPhone color. Right, buttons, very responsive here and here. Your cutouts all align, and the camera is well protected. So let's see about the wireless charging. Bring this in focus. We heard the little bong sound, and let's see if it's charging. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and put that on camera right there. You can see it's charging. We'll do that one more time, and you can see the little green. So it does charge. Now this last case has been one of my favorite for a very long time. So it does have this very robust holster, right, that rotates. Has really nice grip and also hook here. Never have had one of these break on me. So very much a fan of this. So this is great if you're a outdoor worker. Somebody or you're going out camping and you want to make sure your phone is secure. You'll notice this also does include a kickstand right here, which we'll see in a second, and it has that kind of built-in screen protector. Let's get the phone in here and see what it looks like. So now this case has some serious military drop protection. Feels very robust in the hand. You can see how much it adds to the sides. Screen protection, fantastic. On the back here, great camera protection. Look at how much depth there is. Kickstand, you can see, just put your finger right here, opens it up, and then you can have it like that on the side. No problems there. All your buttons are covered, and you could expose it. Sometimes I end up cutting this off, especially since I find mine in the car and I need to charge. But everything feels just so good with this case. And then obviously you can either have it like this in the case, pointing outwards, right? Or you could have it pointing inwards, depending on what you're going for. Now, from wireless charging, let's go ahead and move these aside. Put our phone right here. Put it to wireless charging, see if it charges, and it does. Wireless charging is a go. So, guys, that concludes our review of these 4 cases for the iPhone XR. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment area. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.